Here is the Subaru Outback. Let's get started. Open the driver's side door. Now right over there is the primary hood release lever. Pull it. Now in front of the vehicle, right on top of the Subaru emblem right there, put one finger there and then push it left, and while it's pushed left, lift up the hood. That's the hood strut right over there. You will need a small flathead screwdriver for this job. The key is to get a small screwdriver. If it's too big, too thick, it will not work, because we need to put it right over there underneath that metal clip and then pull it out from its position. You don't have to get it off completely, you just have to get it out enough that we can now take the strut off. See, now it's in its unlocked position, it's out from there. Now push up on the hood, get some load off of it, and you'll be able to get the strut off the ball. And now with just one strut in place, the hood won't stay up, so you'll need a friend to hold it in place while you're working on the other end. Get the screwdriver and pry this clip out from its locked position, and the entire strut just comes off. And you see that little metal thing inside? That is that clip that keeps the strut locked in place. Let's put the new one back in, and if your clip is already in the locked position, it's okay. It automatically pops back in when you put it on the ball. If it's in the unlocked position like this one, I'll show you how to put it back in. Just get the screwdriver and push it back in. Done. Same thing for the bottom one. Goes back right in, and it's the exact same process for the other strut, and that is pretty much it. To close the hood, just grab it, push it down and slam it shut. Hope you found it useful. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in the description for their entire inventory.